definitely he will not get a job. This is what he thinks, and this is what thousands of other people, thousands of other students studying in maritime institutes think nowadays, that if they are average students and students which were below average, they will definitely not get a job after this corona situation, because recession will come, number of jobs will be less, and the companies will hire only the people who are at the top, and nobody will care about the people who are average in their studies or the people who are below average. Do you want to get a job once this lockdown gets over? Do you want to clear your exam, your any exam like class 4 MEO or anything else, once this pandemic gets over? Do you want to improve your marks in your exams so that you can get a job in some really reputed companies? If the answer is yes, do watch this video till the very end, because in today's video I will tell you how you can achieve those goals during this lockdown period. So guys, welcome to the Marine Whales. This is Jayavardhan Singh Ranawat, your friend, and today I will tell you how you can utilize this lockdown period so that you can achieve your dreams in this particular maritime profession. So let's move ahead with the video. So we've been getting a lot of questions from past few days regarding, sir, what will happen to the job scenarios? I will not get job after doing my degree because of this entire pandemic situations, because the companies are going in recession. What will happen? The world is going in recession, whether I will get a job after my degree or not. And they are living in this constant state of like sadness, and you know, like what will happen to their future after they do this particular degree, or if they want to clear some exam, they think that now it will be very difficult for them to clear that particular exam like class 4 MEO, or for the tech side people as well. They are thinking that after this they will make the process of clearing the exams very difficult, and they will pass very few number of cadets to go to the next level, because the number of jobs will decrease according to the few of the people, according to the mindset that the news have made in this current coronavirus scenario. So today I will tell you and I will teach you the exact strategy which will help you in overcoming all your fears, and it will help you to achieve your dreams once you go out from this pandemic situation. And it is a query that I got yesterday from one of you people, which said that how can I get a job after this coronavirus situation, because I am an average student studying in a maritime institute. I probably no, none of my teachers even know my name, because I am such an average student, and I do not have much technical knowledge. I do not have any communication skills. Forget about getting a job, that too after this coronavirus situation. So he has completely lost all his hopes. He is thinking that he will definitely not get a job, and now he is in a constant state of sadness, and now he is thinking that he would go into depression because of this entire thinking of him, that he will not get a job, and he has wasted lakhs and lakhs of money of his parents. Now this is an answer to that person and thousands of others who have exactly similar mentality like him. So now let's take the situation. He thinks that he is an average person, and there were very less chances of him getting a job during the normal condition as well. So after the coronavirus period, definitely he will not get a job. This is what he thinks, and this is what thousands of other people, thousands of other students studying in maritime institutes think nowadays, that if they are average students and students which were below average, they will definitely not get a job after this corona situation, because recession will come, number of jobs will be less, and the companies will hire only the people who are at the top, and nobody will care about the people who are average in their studies or the people who are below average. So in today's video I am going to tell you how the students who are at average level or the students who are at below average level can reach the top level and get hired by some of the best companies in the world. So let's move ahead with the video. So the first point is why you are average. Why do you call yourself average? There can be two reasons. The first reason is you do not get much marks in your academic exams or any practicals or anything. You do not have much technical knowledge about your own subject, about any particular subject that you are studying, about your course. You do not have much technical knowledge about that particular thing, and that is why you get less marks, and then you call yourself as an average person. And there can be second scenario as well. The second scenario is that your communication skills are not very good. You cannot speak in front of people. You get really hesitated whenever someone tells you to speak in front of someone else in terms of English. Or there can be third reason as well, and the third reason is English. A lot of people does not have good English speaking qualities, and most of the times they fumble while speaking in front of other people, and forget about speaking in front of interviewer, because you are nervous at the same time, and you have to speak at that point also, so it becomes very difficult at that particular time. So these are the main three reasons why any particular student calls himself as an average student. So let's take the first situation now. So the first situation is, you call yourself as an average student because you get less marks in exams and you have below average technical knowledge about your own subject. So during this coronavirus time, you can download all the ebooks regarding your subject. You can read through all the notes given by your faculties of that particular subject, and you can read and read because you have nothing else to do while you are sitting at home, right? You do all day, you do surf, you surf on your phone, you watch Netflix, YouTube and whatnot. There are so many distractions nowadays, but if you can take this time to enhance your technical knowledge, when you go out in the world after this pandemic gets over, you will be a completely different person. Your technical knowledge will be improved, you will be able to speak in front of people about technical things, and you will not be able to, and definitely you will not feel that you are any less than other people in terms of your technical knowledge, because you have improved your technical knowledge so much during this period of time that now if anyone asks you any question, any technical question, it is right there in your mouth and you can just spill it out. Now comes the second category, and which is not having proper communication skills. People hesitate while speaking in front of other people. They think that they do not have enough good knowledge, and they do not consider themselves at the same level of the other people, and that is why they feel at a less level than them, and that is where hesitation kicks in, and they are not able to communicate properly whatever they are feeling. The nervousness takes over and they are just stuck in that particular moment, not able to express anything that they want to say. So what to do in this particular situation? You can just sit at home and you can try reading papers in front of the mirror, in front of your parents. You can do it in anywhere. You can, suppose you can put your phone in front of you and speak in front of that camera, and then watch your own video. Of course the first video won't be good, the second will be even better, third will be even better, 15, 20, do it every single day. Speak in front of mirror or your mobile phone camera, and then watch your improvement as you do that, right? There are so many news going on around you. You can read a particular news and you can talk about that particular news in front of your camera right there, and then you can watch that video. And I must tell you, if you do it for 30 days, it will be more than enough, and then you just compare your improvement from first day till the 30th day, and the results will be clearly shown into your phone, and it will definitely help you to improve your communication skills as well. Now the third thing is speaking English in front of other people. So for that you need to speak in English confidently to yourself first, and then only you can speak English with others in a confident manner. So for that you start reading English newspapers during this particular time, or if you have TV at your home, which I am sure all of you must be having, then switch to English news channels for that particular time. There are so many months still left. Maybe it will go on for 2 months for sure. As of now, the holidays will be there for 2 months for all the colleges across India at least. So in that period of time you can watch English news channel, you can watch English videos on YouTube, you can watch videos on how to improve your English, and then actually you have time to improve upon your English. They say that it takes 21 days to pick up any habit, and it will take exactly 21 days for you to improve your English as well. It won't take much more than that. And now you do not tell anyone that you did not have time in your entire life to learn how to speak English, because now you have all the time in the world. You have much more than 21 days. You have more than double of that, more than triple of that. So why are you wasting that time? Learn how to speak in English. Speak in front of mirror. Again the same formula. Speak in front of camera as much as possible every single day. Do it every single day without fail, in morning, in evening, 2 times a day, and just do it every single day religiously, and then watch your progress after 21 days, and I am sure that even you will be shocked by your improvement in this particular language. For the people who are appearing for their class 4 MUs. Of course, the exams are little tough, and the orals are even tougher than that. So during this period of time, you can prepare yourself for the orals rather than thinking that they will not pass so many students after this pandemic gets over. Suppose they do not pass so many seafarers in their orals, what will happen? If you do not improve your if you do not improve your skills during this particular time, if you do not improve your knowledge in this particular time, then you will be one of those people who won't be promoted, right? This is for sure. So why not improve your communication skills, improve your technical knowledge, improve the way you give answers to all the safety questions, all the technical questions. Safety is utmost importance. Try read as much as possible for safety, because once this gets over, the most important thing will be they will judge the students on the basis of safety, how they answer the safety answers, how they answer the safety questions, because this has been the criteria for them to judge for years now, and now it will be very important in judging further as well. So why not improve your safety knowledge, improve your technical knowledge, improve the way you answer during the interviews. If you want to know how to answer during the interviews, I have linked the video in the description below. You can watch that video, you can click the I button and you can watch that video now also after this video, and you will learn how to answer during an interview, and it will help you while clearing that orals, or whether if you are a student only, it will help you to clear your job interviews as well. Now my final advice for everyone: do not let this situation go into your head and you start thinking negatively, because it will affect your brain so much that once you come out of this situation, you will be completely lost and you will feel that you can never do anything in this particular field and everything is just going against you. While you can use this time to let everything go in your favor, so why not do that? Just do it. Do the things required for you to reach to that next level that you've always wanted to reach, but you have always complained that you didn't have time. Now you have all the time in the world, then why not to utilize it? Still people are asking that, sir, I don't have this entire lockdown period. You have time. Time is the biggest money that a person can ever have. Time is the richest wealth. Then why not to utilize it? Just utilize this time and improve yourself, and you will see where you are after this lockdown. If you want to improve your communication skills, I have made a video for that also. You can just click the I section and you will know about that video and you can watch that entire video. If you want to know how to answer during an interview, I have made videos on that as well. There are so many mock interviews. If you want to learn what are the different questions which are being asked in interviews, then in those mock interviews we have asked amazing questions. So why not watch that as well? If you want to improve your technical knowledge and increase your chances of getting selected by any shipping company, then read our book. This is an ebook, so you cannot even complain that you won't get the delivery during this entire period. Just go on Amazon and buy it. The link is in the description below. Why not improve your knowledge during this period of time? If you are a person who is appearing for class 4, we are coming for you with a brand new book about advanced technical knowledge, and it will be only targeted to the people who are appearing for their class 4 exams, and it will help them in clearing their exams as well as orals. And we are coming with that book in just few days on Amazon. So why not go and buy the required stuff? Why not go and watch this stuff which will actually help you in improving yourself and increase your chances of getting selected in any job that you always wanted to get selected, or improve you so much that you can clear any orals in the world. So at last I would say that this is the moment for you to rise to genius that you always wanted to rise. So just do the work and rise to that level that you always desired. This is it for today. Hope you all great health, stay at home, stay safe, and I hope you all come out as a completely different and a completely developed person once this lockdown gets over. And I want you to succeed in your career, and I hope that I will see you succeed in your any professional career that you are in, and I hope that I will see you achieving your dreams once this period gets over. Thank you very much. This is Jayavardhan Singh Ranawat. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the Marine Whales, don't forget to click the bell icon, comment down below your thoughts, share this video with your friends, so that it can help them as well in improving during this particular time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.